What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. So today, taking you guys on a little quick drive right now. But yeah, man, how's everyone doing? I haven't filmed in a couple days. It's been raining a lot. This is probably getting posted sometime in August, but it's been raining a lot. It's the end of, what is it, the first week of August right now. So yeah, it's been raining almost every day. So thankfully, damn, why are people just moving? But yeah, thankfully today's much better, not as bad out. So figured why not take out the GoPro real quick, film a little highway POV. I got some other videos coming for you guys with some meets, because I started going to a couple of meets recently, so got some footage coming on that. I also linked up with a couple of people, so I got some collabs coming. We just got a whole bunch of stuff coming for the channel, honestly. So it'll be something newer than just POVs. I always like POVs because it's so easy and fun to record, but you know, gotta do what we gotta do. But yeah, got some good content coming for you guys, so I hope everyone likes it. I'm just gonna play some music. We're just gonna vibe out for the rest of this ride and take it from there. Why is there so many cops today? Sheesh. Trooper right there. I just hate that people get so scared whenever they see like a cop. Like, cause my thing is, if you're not doing anything wrong, getting yourself all nervous and worked up for no reason is not what you should be doing. Like, look, there's a trooper right there. Oh wait, no, it's not. I thought it was because the top of it was beige like the other troopers, so, but that wasn't a trooper, so we're good to go. Alright, let's get some music, man. Let's get some music in this thing. You ever just have a bunch of music and don't know what to play? That's how I am right now. Got so many choices and don't know which one to pick. Oh yeah. Lately, I've been listening to some Don Toliver. His stuff is fire though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, now I see why people are obsessed with him at his concerts and stuff. Like, I always knew he was a good artist, but people like are on Don Toliver like crazy. Like, I never really understood why, but now I understand. Let's see.
I met her last week. Sliding through the cold back streets. I don't know you, but you know me. I saw you put away your foreign key. Can I get your number? And I'ma hit you up. We can link on summer and go and fuck it up. Girl, you got me drunk. I need it in a rush. Can you fuck it up? Can you fuck it up? Can you fuck it up? Yeah, can you fuck it up? Take you out of town, girl. Can you fuck it up? I'ma take you around, girl. I'ma fuck it up. Get you from the back and my baby back child. Can you fuck it up? Be your passion boy, girl. Let's get insane. You're one-on-one unique. Locked up in the Maybach seat, and I'm riding with my piece. Get the pussy up R.I.P. Don't hold back, baby, unleash. You splashing, it ain't no leaks. Sucking up some more. We ain't going waving. Lifestyle for the sands. But you haven't seen him. You don't know what I come to. We ain't feeling all caving. We know you fuck it up? Can you fuck it up? Yeah, can you fuck it up? Take you out of town, girl. Can you fuck it up? I'ma say it now, girl. I'ma fuck it up. Hit you from the back, you won't lay it down. Can you fuck it up? Yeah, can you fuck it up? Take you out of town, girl. Can you fuck it up?
Oh my God. I didn't even realize I was a trooper. Oh no. I wasn't even, bro. The radar didn't go off. The waves didn't show me. Oh my God, bro. I just happened to look up at the last minute. Why is there so many troopers out today? As you guys seen from many POVs that there's never really a lot of cops around this time, so I'm confused why there's so many. Oh my God. I was doing 80 and it's a 65. Bro, that would have just ruined my whole thing, bro. That's why it sucks when like you're vibing to music, you're not even paying attention really. Oh my God. Now I gotta be more cautious, like I gotta chill out. Cause imagine if I was cutting up, oh man.
Two girls in the car, which one to choose? I fell in love with me, fell in love with me, fell in love with you. I got two girls in the car, I don't know who to choose. I fell in love with me, fell in love with you. You gotta believe in no one. She back at the house, she on.
so low. I don't know, sometimes I have the volume up so much that like after a while the music sounds low. Ah, let's go.
So put my address in like I don't know where I stay. She know my phone number, but why she think I'm Mike Jones? Why I had to put it down in the ice age? Where I'm from, you come through late, you don't do that alone. You brought that face out the boom, that's how long did that take? With your dog, she can't go left me with him right or wrong. Everybody around me top, I come to my space. Everybody highlights up, I up in my space. When we disconnect the Wi-Fi. Is over drastic, I hope you gassed it. I'm over gas, you crashed it. The last one, the last it. Tried to find real and plastic. The mother hose is mastic. Where you rock the classic bomb bastard. The setup of the dynasty is looking dynastic. You know the darn nasty. The mother boy's nasty. You know the jack nasty. You know the fake nasty. You know the chase. You know the chase nasty. You know my place. My place is like the Afghies, that's where the nil. I'm a night off in the night and got a nil. When that with me was the tea, but don't you spill. All that body fake, baby, keep it real. If he hit, don't give him nothing like the church. And come to my players club, I'm down with my address in like I don't know where I stay. She know my phone number, but why she think I'm Mike Jones? Why I had to put it down in the ice age? Where I'm from, you come through late, you don't do that alone. You brought that face out the boom, that's how long did that take? With your dog, she can't go left me with him right or wrong. Everybody around me top, I come to my space. Everybody highlights top, I up in my space. When we disconnect the Wi-Fi. And it's 713 on face. I say, can I get you up for? Hey, can I get you up in the city? Girl, yeah, baby, girl, yeah. You're doing it good, okay, you're doing it, yeah. Doing it back, okay, you're doing your best. Swing to the hood when you need some help. Handlebar, she on my handlebar. She like to find the things and I'm a candy car. Throwing it back, okay, you're doing your best. Swing to the hood when you need some help. I'm in the continental, got it dancing. Sip pineapple, bitch, candy. $250, got a fancy. 200 on the dash, don't chance it. Gotta leave this song on, it's your song, right? H-Town, hold it down, yeah, you going crazy. See you with a baby, baby, you know you ain't here fake. Know you ain't here fake. Know you ain't here fake.
Tried to have good manners, but hot and juicy beef doesn't seem to care.
It's always an ad. But yeah, guys, if you made it this far to the video, I appreciate you watching. Give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.